Designers everywhere are freaking out about Canva's new Magic Studio, which is an amazing new suite of AI design tools. Magic Design instantly creates sophisticated graphics, videos, and decks from your ideas in seconds. Just type a prompt and watch your concepts come to life. Magic Video transforms your images or videos into viral short-form social media clips, complete with on-beat music. Magic Switch allows you to resize your designs into any format you want. It will even translate your designs to different languages. Magic Write generates on-brand copywriting on autopilot, using your company's voice. Magic Media lets you create images or videos in seconds from text prompts. Magic Expand fixes awkward image details and framing by expanding your photos in any direction with AI autofill. Magic Edit lets you remix your images by selecting elements and then describing what you want to change. With Magic Grab, you can make any part of your image editable by selecting and repositioning or resizing it. Magic Morph allows you to add your own style to any design element or font with simple text descriptions. Don't forget, if you love AI, I'm the guy.